Hello, strawberry lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of effortless strawberry gardening. Strawberries, with their deep red color and sweet taste, are a favorite for many. But did you know that they're surprisingly easy to grow at home? Yes. Planting your own strawberry patch can be a rewarding experience. First things first, let's choose the right spot for your strawberries. Pick an area with plenty of sunlight and good drainage. Avoid oversaturated soil as it can lead to root rot in your plants. Next, consider planting different types of strawberries to expand your harvest. It's like having a buffet of fruits. To keep pests at bay, try companion planting with herbs such as rosemary or thyme. These natural repellents will help keep the bugs away and ensure your harvest is pest-free. Now, let's talk about watering your strawberries. Overwatering is not recommended as it can lead to root rot. Instead, aim for regular watering sessions once every 2 or 3 days. Suffolk strawberries are low-maintenance plants and require minimal care during their growing season. Pruning them in late summer is crucial to promote better airflow and prevent disease. To enjoy a bountiful harvest, remember to replant new strawberry plants every 2 years. This will ensure healthy growth and continuous production of those juicy berries we all love. So there you have it, folks. With these tips and tricks, you'll be on your way to an effortless strawberry gardening experience in no time. Happy growing!